in today's video in today's video we are going to learn about 4 tricks and hacks on our WhatsApp applications which we don't know. And the first one goes to the keyboard. I repeat, the keyboard. So without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Okay, so let me enter WhatsApp. All right, so can you see the surface of my WhatsApp? You can see the stories. Okay, looks like an Instagram, like story. Yeah, Instagram like story. Meanwhile, you can go here to, that's the status. Okay, yeah, and when you come to chat, you see how it appears. So that will be the last tricks and hack that I'll teach. But for the first one, let's go, is about the keyboard. All right, so here is it. This is the keyboard, right? So you can see all these alphabets. So let's say I'm typing how are you. So how, the moment I type the H, it's gonna be an uppercase letter, then the rest will follow by a lowercase letter. How are you? Okay, here is it. So for you to type all this in uppercase letter or capital letter, then you have to type H, then you hit on this O, then you hit on this W, then space A R E space, then YOU. You see that? So I want to teach you a trick where you hit and all you are going to type will be in uppercase or capital letters without you hitting an alphabet, going back to the arrow here. And so this is what you do. Okay, you see this arrow here, when you double tap on the arrow, all is gonna be capital letters. So when you double tap and you see a small line under the arrow, meaning all that you're gonna type is gonna be in capital letters unless you retouch it again. So see, can you see the line under it? That's what I mean. So now let's type and see. How space space you. Have you seen that? Oh, so everything that you type is gonna be in uppercase letter. Okay, so if you don't want it that way, then you retouch it, it will go. Okay, can you see lowercase letters? If you want capital, then you tap on it, then it turn back to lower. But you want all to be in uppercase letter, you double tap it. So see the line under, meaning is functioning. All right, so now let's dive into the second one. Let me go back. That one is also on WhatsApp. Okay, it's about disappearing messages. You see, when you and your friend, like you've been chatting on WhatsApp, when he turns it on, it affects you too. So if it is within 90 days or within maybe 7 days or whatever he does the settings for, after that period of time, yours also will disappear, though you are not the one who did that settings. So let me show you something here. Let's go to WhatsApp. Okay, can you see this? The name is Papa Alasan. Okay, and you can see the sign too, which means he has turned on his disappearing message. So let's hit it, and let me go to disappearing message for you to see something. Okay, so have you seen disappearing messages 90 days? So let's hit it. So he has set it at 90 days. I'm not the one who set it. Okay, so let me show you something. We're going to read something. So look at here. Papa Alasan turned on disappearing messages. All new messages will disappear from this chat 90 days after they are sent. So tap to change. So if you don't want the messages to disappear to your at your place on your phone, then you have to change the settings. Though he has set his own, but you have to change it so that the messages will not disappear. Okay, so you hit on the profile icon or the profile pic, you scroll down, can you see disappearing message right beneath inscription? Disappearing messages, he set it 90 days, so I'll hit on it, then I'll turn it off. Okay, if I put it on 24 days, then right after 24 hours, right after 24 hours it's going to disappear. So I have to put it off. Okay, then go back. Okay, so they said I can't change it unless I'm connected to the internet. Okay, yes, you can't change it unless you are connected to the internet. So now I'm connected to the internet. Let's go disappearing message off. Okay, all right, so let me see what they will write. So now you see you turned off disappearing messages. Tap to change. If it's up to you whether you want to change it or not. So now let's move to on the third one. The third one is the reaction, okay, to a message on WhatsApp. How we react to message. You see, this kind of like a Facebook to Instagram, like reactions on the messages. Okay, so let's see. So let's say someone sent me this. All right, so I want to react towards the high, so you long press on it, then these are the reactions. You choose any of them that you like. If it is laugh, give it a laugh. Okay, so long press on it. If you don't want any of these ones, just hit the plus. It will send you to your emojis, whatever. So you just choose one and that's it. That's a short one. So now you can react on your messages on WhatsApp too. That's another feature. Then the last one is, so the last trick and hack is how you'll be able to post a status with a 5 minute. The length of the video should be more than 30 seconds. On normal WhatsApp you can post up to 30 seconds length of video. So if you want to post more than that, to be able to post to 5 minutes, then unless you install GB WhatsApp, and if you have one, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Without wasting my time, let me dive into it and show you the trick. Okay, so you hit on WhatsApp, hit on this three dot, hit on GB settings, then scroll down to home screen. Okay, then if you scroll down to home screen, hit on status. Okay, and scroll down, so you can see here is it, 5 minute status. I've turned it on so I can post a status till for 5 minutes. The length of the video will be up to 5 minutes. Okay, so as I said, 5 minute status allows you to put a 5 minute video instead of 30 seconds as a status, and that's normally what is allowed on WhatsApp itself. So this is GB WhatsApp. Okay, so note, only GB WhatsApp users can see the full status. So if I have GB WhatsApp and someone is using the normal WhatsApp, the person will not be able to see all the 5 minute length video. Okay, the person will not be able to see all that. So it says only GB WhatsApp users can see the full status. Other users will see 30 seconds only. Okay, so now that's it. It's very easy. As I told you, let me go over. Hit on home screen, hit on status, scroll down, then here is it. So I want to give you one tip. Okay, last tip. When you come you hit on home screen, okay, scroll down here and you see something which I have turned mine on. They said what? Viewed story toast. So whenever you post a status, any person who will watch your status, where GB WhatsApp will send you message with that person's name. Okay, even if you are not on if you are not on GB WhatsApp at that moment and you just on your data, any person who watches your status, that person's name will show on your screen. Okay, so you can see viewed story toast. Know immediately when someone views your status by toast message. So it will come like a message, the person's name will pop up. Okay, and they will write blah 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 has viewed your status. So How is the video? Interesting, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy HABIB Educate, and I will see you in the next video. I leave you in peace. Salam.